Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Greek giant beans. I've already shown you one version which was a more simpler one, and now I'm going to show you my preferred version. This is a really healthy, delicious dish and I'm sure you'll love it. You will need 1 tin of 400g tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, and give that a good mix together. 2 cloves of garlic which I have chopped, 3 red onions which I've diced, 3 celery stalks which I've diced and use the leaves as well. Cut them fairly fine because they take a while to cook down. 1 cinnamon stick, a little pinch of oregano just to sit in the background, and half a bunch of flat leaf parsley. It's about 3 tablespoons. Then I'm going to start adding some water. I don't do all the water in one go, I like to do it in stages. Add some salt and pepper. And I've got 4 cartons of 380g butter beans. These are the organic ones. You can use 4 400g cans, it doesn't really matter. Then give everything a good mix together. On a side note, if anyone has any good cleaning methods for cast iron pots, please let me know. Add some more water. You just want enough to cover the beans really. Then bring the beans to the boil. Once they start to boil, put the lid on, lower the heat and cook that for about an hour covered, but do stir it occasionally so they don't stick. After an hour, this is what it should look like. There's still a lot of liquid in there at the moment, so I cook that for a further half hour uncovered. After the half hour, turn the heat off, add the remaining parsley, which is about 3 tablespoons, give that a good mix and put the lid on and leave that for about 20 minutes before serving. There will still be a good amount of liquid, but it will have thickened. The longer it sits, the more the liquid will thicken. So if you're having them the next day, there won't be much liquid left in them, but you can just top that up with water from the kettle, that's fine. There are different ways to cook this dish, and I will put them in the description down below if you want to do it a different method, that's fine. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.